here's the Z, how it currently sits. And I'm excited. What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Now we're on the way to another car meet. It's funny, I haven't been to car meets in the longest, and in this week alone I've gone to like 2 already. The only reason I'm going to this one though is because it's like not too far from my house, and the people that are throwing it usually throw pretty good ones, so I'm hoping it's a banger meet. I'm hoping to get some good content out of this, and if not, then I'll probably be tired from meets again. No way, a GTR just randomly just flew by me. What the? My bad, dog. Man, see, I wish I had the Z. I would have gapped this fool right now, literally. Damn, my boy. Oh, he stopped. Bro, I really wish I had the Z on me right now. I really wish I was in the Z. I would have humbled old boy. Sick ass fool though. Must be nice. Must be nice, sir. I'm really trying to get one, bro, ASAP. So if anyone's trying to buy this, let me know so I can get into a GTR. Just kidding. Oh my gosh, bro, I really need one in my life. The closest thing I got to a GTR are these paddle shifters. Supposedly, the paddle shifters in the cute video are the same ones in the GTR. And that model GTR at least. Damn. So right now I'm gonna close my eyes, touch the paddle shifters, and pretend I'm in that. Damn, bro, this looks so good. And it's stock, bro. Imagine lowered on some Advance or some TEs. That's all the car needs, bro. Carbon kit. That's it. Carbon hood, maybe. Made it to the meet, bro. This thing is super packed. This is like, there's like 10 lanes and they're all like packed out. There's hella cars. Bro, the amount of people here is actually insane. Parked next to my next car. G80 with the carbon buckets. Must be nice, sir. I feel like you can't really beat these cars for the price they are nowadays. Especially if they're X-Drive. They look good, they're fast. Sound pretty good with a decent exhaust setup. Yeah, definitely on my list for sure. Got this Dismo on the Dismo 57 CRs. Pretty clean. Q fam. Bro, there is so many people here. It's crazy. I don't think I've ever seen a meet this packed out in the IE. These supers out here looking like Skittles. C601. These cars are so timeless, bro. Got 2 R34s right there. But damn, a wagon. Damn, this wagon pretty hard. I ain't gonna hold you. Imagine picking up your kids in this. Got 2 other YR35s. I wonder if these are the ones that I seen. It might be this one. Actually, no, I think it had different wheels. Yeah, no, it's not. But bro, I need one in my life. Somebody buy the Q. Shoot me an offer on the Q, so I get one of these. If I go on the drag pack with the skinnies in the front, my boy, he came here to gap. The Beetlocks. Bro, check out this bike. Fucking sick. Bro, look at all the bikes that are here. Might as well call this a bike meet, not a car meet. Damn. I don't think I've ever seen this many bikes at a car meet. Damn, this one's sick. Carbon fiber. The Extendo. Yeah, this is my favorite bike here. I don't even know what it is. The Gixxer? I feel like the bike community is pretty sick. It makes you want to get a bike, but luckily that shit dangerous. We got the HR swapped GTR over here on the VQs. Pretty sick though. Carbon fiber everywhere. You can hear a VQ flame map at the distance. Got a Q50 over here on T's. I think it might be the one I seen at the last meet. All over me. Kinda like that front end, I'm not gonna lie. The blue T's. Very nice, sir. Got the ZR1. Got the ZR1 that we saw right now. These are so sick, bro. ZR1 wins. Now when you're next to my Z, my boy. I'm just kidding. We got the Shiesty, he's gonna do something. Oh, shit. Check out this Type R. Not the Q50, bro. Should clean up. -3 inch intake, my boy. I see you. Something like that. Tell me what stock hats. Not the roller. Back Texas. Bro, it's just so quiet too. What the hell? It's casually on fire. So what can I do?
Baby, roast them over here. Yeah, keep them warm. Keep them warm. Keep them warm. Conserve. All right, that's good. Don't burn.
That shit has to be open test by. That's fucking crazy. Golly, open test pipe. That's, oh shit, one foot. Oh shit, my boy, no! I hope he didn't see the smoke, bro. Good thing I called it is. Go after him, but damn. Oh, but not bad.
The next day.
What's up, YouTube? It is now a few days later from the last clip you guys just saw. As you guys can tell, I'm at Q50 on 9Z. I am in the Mamalona. I'm in my dad's truck. I am currently on the way to pick up Chris because I think it was the last video that I said, or that he said, that he was going to try to bring his car back. And today is actually the first day actually the second day to be exact, that he's starting like this, not rebuild process, but like this whole like get my car back on the road thing. So yesterday he actually picked up 2 of the RPF ones, my SBCs, well now his again SBC RPF ones. He picked them up. I think he installed them already. He also got my boy Panda's intakes, and he was gonna drive it to get wrapped last night, but unfortunately it started leaking 85 just like my car was like a few weeks ago. So obviously he can't drive it, so he wasn't able to take it. Now he's gonna have to tow it to the shop first, then to the wrap shop. But for now he does need a bumper, and the homie actually had one laying around, so we are on the way to pick it up right now. So here's the Z, how it currently sits. I'll go ahead and add a picture here of how it looked like once. Obviously he ended up parting it out. He was gonna sell it. He actually took out the turbo kit. He took off everything. The car just literally has, I think, test pipes, exhaust, the intakes, and these like XXRs that are pretty much like his spares or whatever. So it's sitting like this, and he got my RPF ones now. Like I said, he's gonna slap them on, rewrap the whole thing, and pretty much just clean it up. But I want you guys to see this car, so you can see how it looked and what it's gonna transform into. It's gonna look pretty sick. He showed me the wrap yesterday. It's gonna look pretty sick with that color. But yeah, I'll be sure to go along with him as he's rebuilding it, so you guys could also see the rebuild process on my channel. I'm not sure if he is gonna post any YouTube videos on it. Those of you guys that follow him or followed him, you guys know he also did YouTube. I'm gonna try to convince him to start recording again, so that way he could also show you guys his POV of the whole rebuild process with this car. But for now, let's go get this bumper. What's up, bro? You excited? You're about to bring that shit back or what? You actually kept your word. Last video, he literally said that he was gonna bring it back. I honestly didn't think he would, but here we are, about to go buy a bumper. Go to the homie Sergio's house. Got his HR right here. I think this car's been on the channel before. I actually raced him when the Q was on 91 show. We're actually selling my boy Chris the bumper, so. Here's the bumper. It even comes with the lip and everything. Shout out to my boy. Pretty good deal. Step 1 of bringing Chris's car back. Just like that, we made it back. Bumper is home. Honestly, this white matches pretty good.
It's the same one as this one, I think. Just new.
Oh, it's a hood, yeah, but the fenders are different.
It's a hood. Yeah, this is a different type of white.
But yeah, this car is gonna look completely different like in a week or two. Damn, I'm excited.
Baby, roast them over here. Yeah, keep it